Well, you're joining us today in Kit Hill, Callington in Cornwall. I think you will agree with me that these are some absolutely amazing views. Let's go to the top and take in some more of the views. What you're seeing there is Plymouth Sound. We're in Callington at the moment in Cornwall on Kit Hill. Hopefully you can see that. And I am going to tell you what we're looking at. That's Yelverton that way. As we come around, you're looking to Leemore. And the river you can see there is the River Tavy. And you should be able to see the breakwater. Maybe. There's a lot of glare out there, so I'm not quite sure if I can see it or not. Kit Hill is 334 metres high, and it absolutely dominates the area between Callington and the River Tamar in southeast Cornwall. The word kit comes from the Old English word kite, in reference to the birds that you can see. Buzzards and sparrowhawks can still be seen around Kit Hill. Kit Hill was given to the people of Cornwall in 1985 to mark the birth of Prince William. It was given by Prince Charles, the Duke of Cornwall.
Sunflower, you're
You can see Carradon Mast there. Got St Clair. Got Rough Tor. We look way over that way. We have Launceston. The area is steeped in mining history, with silver, copper, tungsten and tin being mined in the area. On a beautiful October day, this is a perfect place to come for some peace and quiet. All I can hear are the birds and the distant sound of the traffic and an odd airplane every so often. We have Lifton, then further to the right we have Brentor. King's Tor, Sharp Tor, Sheep's Tor, Lee Mill, Calstock, Bear Austin, and then we're back looking out over to Plymouth Sound. In 1877, a company called Kit Hill Tunnel Limited began work on the north and south sides to create a tunnel, which would have been 2 miles long. However, the bedrock was so tough and the progress was so slow and costly that they decided to call it quits a year later. Several attempts have been made since by various different companies, but nobody has yet been successful. There are 4 mines here: Kit Hill Summit Mines, East Kit Hill Mine, Hingston Down Mine, South Kit Hill Mine, which was the last to be worked on, which finished in 1884. There is also a railway line here. It opened in 1872 and it ran to Calstock's river frontage. I hope you've enjoyed having a look around Kit Hill, and if you have, then give it a like, and if you like what I'm doing, subscribe to the channel. You know, every single person that subscribes I really appreciate. See you later, guys. Bye. Stop recording.